I'm going to start with a definition of interaction design. Focusing on design for people. So that's a person interacting, acting on the world, and getting feedback from the world. The interaction designer has three questions to answer. They're all how do you questions. The first question is how do you do? How do you affect the world? And I think of a simple choice there between handles and buttons. So I can deal with the world by pushing buttons, or I can grab a hold of the world and manipulate it, or grab a hold of a product and turn it or twist it. This is the handle world. It's the world of continuous control. The buttons are the world of discrete control. The second question is how do you feel? This is how to get feedback from the world. There I like McLuhan's distinction between what he called fuzzy or cool media and hot or distinct. Cool and hot. Early television was a cool medium with its fuzzy images. A book with careful printing or a gravestone with carved type is hot. It's immutable. You cannot touch it or change it. Cool media draw you in. This is the handle and the button. Finally, the third question is how do you know? And as we design interactions with computers in them, it's very difficult for the user of those products to know exactly what they're going to do. And a nice dichotomy is deciding whether the user needs a map to see an overview of how everything works. Or maybe the user just needs to know exactly what to do moment to moment, and a path is sufficient. Do this, do this, do this, do this. So those are the three basic things that happen in an interaction. A human, a person we're designing for, does something, and we provide affordances. As designers, we design the way that the machine gives feedback. Finally, it's the question of what kind of knowledge do we expect of our users? Can we design good maps for them to hold in their heads? Can we design the emergency procedures step by step, how to do things? So that's the first definition of what it is we design as interaction designers.